If they wanted you, you wouldn't feel confused. You wouldn't be overthinking every text. You wouldn't be questioning your worth. And you definitely wouldn't be here watching this video trying to figure them out. But you are. And if you're really honest with yourself, you already know why. This isn't actually complicated. It only feels complicated because you are emotionally involved. So your mind keeps trying to figure it out. Like there's something you're missing, or it's like you you say to yourself that, oh, I wish I could understand them better. But what if there's nothing for you to figure out? Because when somebody truly wants you, you don't have to decode them. You don't have to wait, and you don't have to guess where you stand. It just feels so clear. And if you notice what's been happening, it's actually very consistent what's happening. You keep telling yourself, maybe they are busy, maybe I'm overthinking, maybe they care, but just differently. How many times have you said this to yourself? And how many times do you still wish to say this to yourself? At some point, it's not confusion anymore, right? It's a pattern. And let me explain this in a very simple way. Okay? There's a way people catch monkeys. They put food inside a jar, small enough for the monkey to reach in the jar. The moment it grabs the food, its hand cannot come out. Even though it's not tied, even though it's completely free, it refuses to let go and it stays stuck. Not because it can't leave, but because it won't release what it's holding on to. And if you really look at your situation, it's the same thing. You're not stuck because of them. You're not stuck because you're stuck because you're holding on to the what ifs, the late conversations, the version of them that showed up sometimes, just enough to keep you hoping. And now your mind keeps going back to those moments like a proof that something really exists. But those moments, they are not the relationship, that's the pattern. And this is the part most people avoid. When someone truly wants you, you don't feel unsure. They don't disappear and they come back when it suits them. They don't make you feel like an option. Effort is obvious. Interest is clear. Respect is consistent. So if you're feeling confused, that is your answer. And I know that's hard to accept, but it means letting go of what you hoped this could be. But staying here, that's costing you more than you realize. You're settling for almost effort, almost clarity, almost love, and slowly that starts affecting how you see yourself. So what do you actually do now? You stop chasing clarity for someone who already showed you their pattern. You stop checking your phone every few minutes. You stop rereading old conversations, trying to feel something again. And most importantly, you stop making excuses for what's already clear, because the truth is you don't need any more answers from there. You need honesty with yourself, and the moment you do that, everything shifts, because the right person, they won't confuse you, they won't make you question your worth, where you stand. They will choose you clearly, consistently, without you having to chase it. So if you've been feeling confused, take this as your sign. Not everything that feels intense is meant to stay. Sometimes the lesson is to let go. If this hits you, comment, I choose myself, because your peace is worth more than holding on to someone who truly had never chosen you. Like, subscribe for more self-worth videos.